You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this currency of Switzerland. If you want to learn more vocabulary, more currency names that are definitely confusing, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more videos for you. Yes, in English, the pronunciation is pronounced as the Swiss franc. Yes, and you do pronounce the C at the end, but, and there's a but, yes, the word comes from French, franc, which doesn't pronounce the C. In French, we do not pronounce, we say franc, which there used to be a franc in France as well, the French franc as well. So, you know, you could definitely argue that it should be pronounced Swiss franc. But in English, it is accepted that the pronunciation, normal, correct pronunciation is the Swiss franc. But, you know, Swiss franc or franc suisse would be the French pronunciation, franc suisse. Therefore, franc is also correct. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.